Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. It has been a long time since my last update, and the reason is that when I'm trying to squeeze all of these small components inside a small box, I find it very hard to make it compact. So I decided to give up everything and go back to this integrated development board. So as you can see, I didn't add switch button, so let me pull off this power supply, and this is integrated 1.3 OLED screen with a very tiny knob and push button. There's a confirm button and back button, and behind this is actually ESP32 board with battery management system. So it's a battery ready board, so later we can put in a battery so that everything can be running remotely, and this will be good for our future clock development or any other game console development. So let's put it back, and now still running on the Pomodo. This is the main menu. You can go into the info and confirm by this button or the push button, and you can go back using this back button. For the pin layout, I simply provide the 3.3 volt. In fact, ESP32 only have the 3 volt power supply. That is okay for this screen, and then the whole lines of the GPIO is connected to all of these the buttons, the confirm button screen, SDA and SCL, and also the knob A and B, and the back button and the confirm button, the push button. So it's a functioning Pomodo. After the counting down, there's no sound, of course, because I eliminated the buzzer and painfully removed the shining RGB LED. So we only have a functional small console. Later we can develop some games and control using the knob with the 2 buttons. I think this front panel is quite neatly managed, so it can be used for the front panel without any shell. So I only have supporting 3D printed back plate with some holding structure for the ESP and the structure for the front panel. So let's switch to the code. Nothing much to explain. Now I'm using the U8G2 library as the screen library, and define all the pins. So you only need to tell the GPT or any other large language model the pin of your control board and the OLED, the GPIO pins on the ESP32. Then set up the menu. So what we have done in this small menu is that we use the text structure to represent the menu. So it's a very quick and simple structure. Later we may need to consider multi layers of menus. So let's figure out in the future video. And then everything is looped within the very simple code. So the main loop contains no functional coding. All of the functions are packed inside all the sub-functions, like the rotary of the encoder and the drawing menu, and also the selection. And the screen, the counting down function is there is a very short flash screen after the counting down, but it takes a long time to go to that screen, so maybe later I can show you. And the buzzer sound, because we don't have any buzzer device connected, so let's keep it there, and in the future we can print another versions of shell and solder the buzzer on the surface, on the device. Okay, so that's it for this device. And you can maybe add another function like a clock. So when you are not using the Pomodo function, you can let this screen showing some the time, local time, and connect it to the Wi-Fi to fetch the local time from the network. Okay, so that's all for this video. I will share all the code and the files on the website and the link below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.